Oh, am I going? I think I'm filming. Hey guys, it is Miss Davis. I am here as promised. I am going to make a video for you. And we're going to fill in our notes on our conductor and insulator page, this page right here. So if you guys will go ahead and turn into this page in your notebook, what we're going to do is we're going to fill in this part right here and this part right here. And then part of your homework for remote learning is you guys are going to find examples of insulators, and that's going to go in this part right here. And it is a stop sign because remember, insulators stop heat energy from moving, and then it is a go green sign right here because conductors allow heat energy to move. And I expect the pictures, they don't have to be like awesome artistic pictures, but I expect them to be your best work, and I do expect this to be colored and expect it to be neat. So I will be checking this on the next day you come back to school, whether that is Monday or that following Thursday. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take these notes as part of your remote learning, and we're going to start with the insulator side. So we're going to start right here. Insulators are materials that, and I'm hoping that you can kind of think ahead of me. So think right here of what goes in this blank. So I hope that you already know that the first word is, and I may have to pick a different thing to write with because this is kind of a big pencil, stop the flow of heat. And one of the words that we haven't talked a lot about, we've talked a little bit about, it's another form of energy, and that word is electricity. So when we talk about insulators and conductors, they can stop heat or electricity flowing from atom to atom. Those are the smallest forms of matter, or molecule to molecule. We're going to be talking more about that as we talk about matter in a couple of weeks. Insulators are used to protect. It's really weird to not have y'all in here and I'm teaching you. It's very strange. Against the dangerous effects of heat or electricity flowing in a conductor. So that's one of the things that heat and electricity, and that word is conductor right there. One of the things that heat and electricity have in common is that they do flow, and they do flow through conductors, and they both can hurt you if you don't protect yourself from them, okay? So you'll find a few different types of insulators. And one of the things that might just help your brain kind of remember that, I bought myself some new colored pencils. Is that red? That's red. Okay, so I'd want to come up here and I'd want to go around each of these. I think it would kind of help get it in your brain for any parents that are listening from Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday classes that haven't heard me yet. Hi, thank you for welcoming me into your home. Your kids are awesome. We're so glad to have them in school. They're super sweet and fun. Okay, so just kind of color around a little bit in red. And so that means that for the conductors down here, we might want to do our circles around here in green, because remember, we're not doing things that are just for fun and to be creative. We want to do things down here. We want to do things purposefully in color to help our brain. And you guys are going to do, I can't talk and color apparently at the same time. Y'all already know I can't talk and type at the same time. So you might even want to color the word conductor in green and the word insulator in red. That might even help your brain remember conductor is go, insulator is stop. Okay, so let's go over here to where it says conductors are materials that. So if this is stop, we can put the word allow right here. Allow the flow of heat, kind of the same thing right here, heat or electricity, from atom to atom. That's always make me think of Ant-Man. You know, when he shrinks down, he goes quantum or whatever, he becomes smaller than an atom. Or from molecule to molecule. Conductors are used when the flow of heat or electricity is desirable. So remember, we talked about sometimes you want the flow of heat and electricity. You want that. That's a really good thing, especially when you're cooking or you're grilling or I like to make crafts. So my hot glue gun, that's a good time where there's heat and you have conductors. Or when I'm ironing, or not that I like to iron for fun, but like making t-shirts or making crafts, things like that. Those are all good things. Okay. So the cool thing about having a video is if I'm going too fast, guess what you can do? You can rewind or you can pause right here if you need to. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen.